Alright guys, day's come. One more 4Runner down. Woo! Look at this one. This is a 98 3rd gen limited. I've gotten up close and personal with this vehicle over the last couple of years. It was pretty much bone stock when I seen it the first time, and then we didn't do the lift or the wheels and tires, but we've done everything else that's on here: the rack, the lights, bumpers, rock sliders, painted the cladding from a gunmetal to a satin black, and then we just did full body and paint and the factory metallic green with a matte clear coat finish. And we shaved all the gold emblems except for the rear and the front. Put a new piece of side glass in on this passenger side. I pictured the original sticker and saved and reinstalled sticker for him. Got everything put back together and cleaned up and ready to go. Oh, this is probably my favorite 4Runner on the planet at this point. This thing's epic. It's out here in the sun, so let's see if I can get you. It's got the metallic under it. Hopefully that catches it on the video for you guys. But we're gonna go deliver her tonight, get her back to the owner and let her enjoy it. Appreciate you as always, Alex. This thing's beautiful, amazing. And in case you guys are wondering, the inside is as nice as the outside. Last time we had it, we replaced this seat bottom because it had a tear in it. But it's got the full limited package, the wood grain and tan leather. Everything's still here. Everything's still in really spick and span shape. He's done an excellent job at keeping this thing in good shape. So anyway, there's the 4Runner run around. Got my camera in my hand. Take some pictures. I'll see you guys on the next one. Appreciate you.